Better than the 230.
Palisades, but it's wasted on you till it slips away like a long gone destination. No, I can't help it, I love the way you say it like you did back then. We never really made it, but we're closing in on a long gone destination. On a long gone destination.
Yeah, baby.
I'm only days away from giving up this place. I need a change of pace, a change of ways. Some days I don't fit in my own skin.
I can just move that rock over a little bit.
I am uncomfortable, I guess, cause after all, I'm just a carbon ball, a house and a soul. Just getting by, getting pretty good at sin.
Nice not having to worry about uphill traction.
Every time I try to pray, a memory gets in the way, and I forget what it was I was supposed to say. Hiding in my Palisade, writing on a blank white page, keeps my demons one more day.
There we go. Boy, the brakes on this 400 are so much better than the 230.
Is it his heart or maybe the heart in his hand? How much he's changed? Maybe it's how much he's the same. keeps
Yeehaw.
my